Welcome back to the channel. We've just got a quick update. As you know, we've been working on removing the sound deadener on the coupe, and we've been really pleased to see the solid condition that the interior and the steel's in. We've liked the fact that the original seam seal is still in place, shows us that nothing's been damaged, nothing's moved in the vehicle. Very nice. However, do you leave the original seam sealer in place or do you remove it? So we've come to the position that we want to remove the original seam sealer. Why? Have a look at this. Sitting in there, painted over. How old is this stuff? It's original. Look at it. I'm not even applying any force to that, and it is just crumbling. It is dry. There's no sealing capability anymore. All it's doing is cracking along the edges and allowing potentially moisture to get in, and that's when you'll start having issues with rust in your panels. So we've just started knocking it out and it's come out really easily. What we have found though, in one area, is surface rust around the fuel tank area. It could be that the rear light may have had a slight leak in the seals, but anyway, looks like moisture's got in there underneath that. The rest is pretty good though. So today's quick update is really just around that, just saying use some of the modern products that are out there. You're going to get a better result. Get that original seam sealer out, clean it all up, and get the best result you can for your car as you're doing your restoration. So that's our scope for this next phase of our work, is to get the rear end internally here in the trunk sorted out, cleaned up. We'll strip as much of this paint off as possible, and then we're going to etch prime it, and that'll be another part of the project ready for the next phase. So not the most exciting update today, sorry, but one worth just sharing. Don't be tempted to leave old seam sealer in place. I know it's easy, but you're probably setting up problems for yourself further down the track. So I hope you're enjoying these videos and these updates, this little blog from us here in Queensland, Australia. I hope you guys are all doing well on your projects. Thanks for the comments so far. We appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing. Any others that, if you like these videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share them across the community. I know there's plenty more of us out there restoring these cars, and all these little tips help someone somewhere along the way, because I know we've picked up a lot of tips ourselves from the rest of you and the rest of the blogs that are out there. A big shout out to someone like Fitzy's Fabrications. If anybody's doing any sheet metal work, get on and have a look at Fitzy's channel. Fantastic tips there on how to do some panel fabrication and also get your welding right. Hope you're enjoying these. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next update. Cheers.